Want to know how complete beginners are making $300, $600, even $900 per day online with absolutely no prior experience, no tech skills, no product, and no audience? They are doing it with a unique approach, a plug and play digital business that takes out the usual guesswork and complexity. Now, if you're here because you are tired of that 9 to 5 grind, if you're dreaming of a way to earn an income working just a couple of hours a day from anywhere you choose, and perhaps you would love to do all this without ever having to show your face on camera, then you absolutely need to stick around, because in this free training today, I'm going to be revealing to you exactly how to do that. Now, if you have seen any of my YouTube videos on my channel ProfitNotch, you know I try to be straight to the point and go overboard with giving value. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with this free training. My journey into the online world started because I wanted to support my parents and pay off their debt. And now I'm passionate about sharing what actually works. So turn off the distraction please, because this could be actually what you have been searching for. And this is not just theory. People are getting results like Scott here, who made $1,800 in just his first 2 weeks. So who is this training perfect for, and how is this going to help them? It is for those 9 to 5 workers who want true freedom. It's for those busy parents who are seeking more flexibility in their lives. And it's absolutely for beginners, even if you have no experience, no audience, and no idea where to start right now. It's for aspiring online entrepreneurs looking for a proven path, and it's for anyone looking for a reliable side hustle that has the very real potential to replace their current income. And today we are going to go over 3 crucial secrets for making those $300 to $900 days online successfully. And they are: secret number 1, the plug and play business that's producing $300 to $900 days with 100% profit. Secret number 2 is the ultimate shortcut to online income, which is all about selling what already works. And secret number 3, how to use faceless marketing and simple copy-paste ads to generate sales even as a complete beginner. And before we dive into that secret number 1, I want to show you again that this isn't just talk. This is really working for people from all walks of life. Look at Elena here. From South Africa, $1,100 in just 4 days. That was nearly 3 times her monthly salary. She talks about getting her freedom and time back for her kids. Jessie Ray made $600 while at an event. The automations just work. And James Fomba? A $600 ding. That's what we call a sale a ding. So a $600 ding on a Saturday made while he was sleeping. That's the power of an automated business. Kamala here made $600 even whilst feeling unwell. The business works when you're not actively working. And Daryl Hannah, an absolute superstar, got a $900 commission while he was on a webinar, and is closing in on $400,000 in just over 16 months. These are the kinds of results we are talking about. Alright, let's dive into the first secret. Secret number 1, the plug and play business model that pays you 100% profit. This is foundational to how beginners are achieving such rapid success. The first secret is all about having a complete done-for-you digital business. Imagine everything pre-built for you. The sales page, the sales funnels, the high-demand digital products themselves. And the best part, you keep 100% of every sale. This is so powerful that many members start seeing results in 7 days or less. Now let me show you visually how this plug and play system actually works, from attracting customers to you getting paid. This diagram here, it breaks down the entire flow. It is something you will become very familiar with. It's the core of your automated business. So make sure to pay attention. So this process that you're looking right here is the core of the automation system. So what happens is, let's say someone, you are promoting this, you have posted this on social media, whatever. Okay, visitors are coming to this page. And this page is called a capture page. And the job of this page is to capture the emails of these visitors. Okay, now that's a terrible drawing, but you get the point. So this is an example of that page. Okay, so for example, if someone is looking to make money online or start a digital business, right, they will reach this page, for example, and they will be interested because they want to make money online. Okay, so discover how to earn 100% profits online using a proven blueprint, a step-by-step system, plus get instant access to Freedom Formula Blueprint. Okay, so when they see this and they want to build an online business and make money online, so when they see this, they will get intrigued, they will get curious, and they want to know what the step-by-step system is, what the proven blueprint is. So their action would be entering their email to get to the details. Okay, and that is how a capture page works. So when you capture that email, two things happen simultaneously. One, they gets redirected to this page called sales page, and two, they will get saved to a system called email list, right? If 10 people enter their emails here, those 10 people will be saved in here on your email list. So back here, what happens is they will come here and they will get what I promised here on this page right here, right? This video right here would be talking about that step-by-step system, and there will be a buy button below. And when they click that buy button and when they purchase it, I make money. Okay, and here is an email list, and this will work for you, right? You will pre-set up this. You don't have to email them manually. Okay, so what happens is you will have these emails, like there will be more emails, 5 emails, 6, 7, right? So what happens is they will get, so first of all, for any reason they didn't purchase it. Maybe the price point is high for them. Maybe they are not convinced why this is a best fit for them. Maybe they are traveling. Maybe they are on a bus. Could be any reason, right? And that is why we are capturing these emails, to constantly remind them about this offer that has this step-by-step system that can help them. These emails will constantly remind them that. These emails will also show other members' results, their testimonials with them. It will also, send them emails with different angles, psychological triggers, which will help you to close sales and make $100 to $900. And by the way, instant profits. Okay, instant 100% profits directly to your PayPal, directly to your Stripe, Payoneer, whatever that you want, and that gets paid to your bank account, right? And the beautiful thing about this is that you do not have to wait for a network to pay you, right? I see this all the time. I'm an affiliate marketer, so on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, when you first make a sale, if you're brand new, right, it will take a while, like 30 days, 45 days even, to get paid out to your bank account or to your PayPal or Payoneer. So yeah, let me show you these emails. Okay, so you saw the capture page, and let me show you example of emails. Okay, so if you want my system, right, if you want to check out my system that gives you 100% profits for you from $100 to $900, right, you will also receive these done for you emails. And these are not generic emails. These are carefully written emails targeted to convert your leads to sales. So you can see that these are like about 30 emails right here, right? That goes every day. So day 1 goes this, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and there's day 30, right? And this is what a fully automated business looks like. Look at Tony Hobbs here, $2,400 this week, $4,600 of the month, and a new car. He joined this in January 2024. He was hoping he could make $500 a month when he joined DGC, that is a community, and he's 60 years old and he's not tech savvy. So he says, if he can do this, so can you. Onyinke Anike, I'm butchering her name, but she made $30,000 in almost 3 months. Jay made $2,700 in his first 30 days. Lori made $5,400 in 10 days into the program. Look, this is the power of done for you engine within this plug and play model. Now for secret number 2. This is the ultimate shortcut to online income, and it's achieved by selling what already works. This involves a concept called master resale rights, or MRR. With this shortcut, there is no product creation needed, which literally saves you months, if not years of hard work and potential expenses. You get to sell proven, high demand digital products and again keep 100% of the profit from every sale. Now, many of you know I do a lot of affiliate marketing. This is like affiliate marketing, but the huge difference is you own the entire system. You control it, you build your own customer list, and you get all the money. You are leveraging proven products with zero guesswork involved. This is like high ticket affiliate marketing, but on steroids, as you keep 100% of the commission. And that brings us to the secret number 3. This is how total beginners are making sales using powerful faceless videos and simple copy-paste ads. This is all about how you feed that automated system we just looked at. The secret is where you learn how to generate the traffic, and it's incredibly beginner friendly. First, as I have emphasized, there is no need to ever show your face on camera if you don't want to. You can use simple screen recordings or other effective faceless content methods that you will learn to create short, engaging posts for platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And a huge part of this, as shown in the first part of this process diagram, is the ability to literally copy and paste pre-written, proven ads to high traffic websites to generate leads and sales. And all of this can be done in just 1 to 2 hours a day just using your phone. You're simply attracting interested people and sending them to your automated systems link, and the automation will do the work for you. So after hearing these 3 secrets, a plug and play business model that pays 100% profit, the shortcut of selling what already works, and the ease of faceless marketing with copy-paste ads, let me ask you this. Would you rather try to figure all this out yourself, learn through potentially years of trial and error, spend countless hours and money hoping to piece it all together? Or would you prefer to have someone who has already done this time and time again, along with a whole community of successful members, help you, guide you, provide you with the entire proven system, and work with you to get the results you want much faster and with far less frustration? If you said option number 2, then I would love to introduce you to the Legacy Builders Program 2.0. This is the complete proven blueprint that packages all those secrets into one powerful plug and play system. It's going to help you build that automated online business and start earning those $300-900 days without needing any tech skills, your own product, or a pre-existing audience. Look, the purpose of this program is simple and direct. It is to help you start making sales in the next 30 days. And then build consistent, reliable income over the next 90 days. That's not just a dream, that's the plan with Legacy Builders Program. And as you have seen, it's a plan that's already working for thousands of everyday people right now. So let's break down exactly what you're getting inside the Legacy Builders Program to make this 30 to 90 day plan a reality for you. First, you get full access to the Legacy Builder Program training itself, that complete plug and play digital business system and step-by-step blueprint designed to help you start earning in those first 30 to 90 days. Next, you get master resale rights to those 4 high converting digital products which have a combined direct resale value of $1,188. You keep 100% of the profit from these. And you get all the pre-built, done for you high converting sales funnels, sales pages and professional email follow-up templates valued at $2,997. And you receive the proven copy and paste ad templates specifically designed for those high traffic websites we talked about. It's a $297 value. And you get weekly live group coaching and direct expert mentorship from people who are actually doing this successfully, easily a $2,000 annual value. And you also get a wealth of exclusive bonus trainings on specialized topics like in-depth faceless marketing, a Canva crash course for graphics, access to our incredible private support community, additional templates, all valued over $1,800. So when you add all that up, the complete program training, the resale rights to 4 income streams, the done for you funnels, the ad templates, the weekly live coaching, and all the powerful bonus trainings and tools, you are looking at a total value of over $9,000. And honestly, for a system that can help you generate $300 to $900 days, it would be worth every penny of that. But if you join Legacy Builders Program today through this special training, it's not going to be anywhere near that $9,000. In fact, it won't be even $5,000. It won't be even $2,000. If you want to join Legacy Builders Program today and get everything we have talked about, you can do so for a one-time investment of only $900. Plus a small $39 one-time website setup fee, which as my special bonus, I will personally reimburse back to you when you join through my link. And yes, this includes lifetime access to the core program training. Again, just to remind you about the special bonus from me, when you join the Legacy Builders Program today using the link below, I will personally reimburse you that $39 website setup fee. Just enroll, send me a quick email with your proof of purchase to support@buildwithabhi.com and I will send that $39 right back to you. It's my way of making it even easier for you to get started. Now let me ask you this. Would it be worth it if you just got one sale? Look at Yolanda here, made $1,100 while farming. Jennifer made $900 legacy sale. Lulama says, made $1,370 this weekend and the only major thing I did was braid my hair. Bliss. Manuela here, another $900 sale while watching Netflix. So let me ask you this again. Would this investment be worth it if you made just one $900 sale using the system? The answer is absolutely yes. You would have your entire initial investment back. Another question would be, will this program show you exactly how to do everything to make that sale and beyond? The answer again is yes. So if you're ready to start building your $300 to $900 day business, click the link below this video or go to buildwithabhi.com/ready right now and enroll in the Legacy Builders Program 2.0. Let me ask you this. What's the true cost of not making a change right now, of letting this opportunity pass you by? It could mean more months or even years stuck in the same 9 to 5 grind, feeling unfulfilled. It might mean those financial goals you have, whether it's paying off debt, saving for your family, or just having more breathing room, remain out of reach. That dream of time freedom, of being your own boss, of working just a couple of hours a day, it could stay just a dream. Or perhaps the biggest cost is the potential regret of not taking action on something that resonates with you. Something that's clearly working for thousands of others and wondering what if down the line. And just to reiterate, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There is no hype, there is no magic button. This is a real business system that produces real results for real people who put in the effort. It absolutely works if you work it. The way I see it, this is a powerful investment in yourself and your ability to follow a proven system to create the future you want. Now, you might still have a couple of questions, so let me answer the most common ones right now. Do I need to show my face? Absolutely not. It's completely optional. The faceless content strategies work perfectly. What if I'm not tech savvy? No problem at all. The system is designed to be plug and play and you get full support every step of the way. Will I need to run paid ads? No, you don't have to. You will learn 100% free organic methods as well as those simple copy and paste ad strategies for high traffic sites. Is this legit? Absolutely yes. It's a real system generating real results for real people. And you have seen plenty of testimonials already. And the biggest question, can I really do this? Look, if you can follow simple steps and are willing to put in a couple of hours a day, then yes, you absolutely can do this. Listen to me. This isn't just about income. It's about building a legacy. You weren't made to just trade your precious time for money, stuck in a cycle you can't escape. You were made to build freedom, to create an impact, and to build something that truly lasts for you and your family. This is your moment to do that. So if you're ready, go to the link on your screen, buildwithabhi.com/ready, and join the Legacy Builders program right now. Once you're in, send me an email. I will give you your bonuses. We can have a chat and I will help you get started. Looking forward to see you inside the community.